Okay, the next training system we're looking at is something called rest pause. Now this system, it's got a high number of motor unit recruitment. Really key if you're trying to actually push maybe a threshold with a client. What Colin's actually gonna do, work for a 6 rep max. Are you looking to hit failure? He's then gonna have a very short rest period of around 10 to 15 seconds before he then aims to complete another 6 reps. Now the reality is he might not get the 6, he might only get a couple, a short rest period, and then he'll go again with the aim of getting another 6 reps out to equate to those first 6 reps that you hit in the first set, okay? So again, that shorter rest period, allowing for that work to be continued, all right? So I'm just gonna show Colin the exercise demonstration. It's gonna be a seated row, and then he's gonna give it a go. All right, Colin, so we wanna make sure we're using a neutral grip here as well. Nice little squeeze as we come back in through. So obviously we're aiming for those 6 reps. We're then gonna, hopefully, if that's our sort of fatiguing point, if you go over that, that's fine. We'll use that as our barometer, okay? Cool. Squeeze, good. 1, perfect. 2, 3, good. 4, really hold that contraction. 5, good. You might get a couple more. 6, good. 7. 8, can you? 9, oh, well done, good. All right, so Colin's gonna have a short rest, just 10 to 15 seconds, okay? He's gonna go back in. He got 9 there, so we're looking to get that cumulatively again over the piece. All right, Colin, you got about another 5 seconds. In we go. 1, good. 2, 3, go on. 4, good. 5, nice, okay, so we're looking for 4 more reps from him. Again, gonna be quite strict on that rest time. We're only gonna give him that 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're looking to go back in. Remember that very short rest pause, and that's that time, Colin, so when you're ready. 1, go on. Get it. Good. Get there. Well done, all right, last rest. I just want 1 more from him. So cumulatively, he's hit that 9 that he hit in the first set. He's replicated throughout that rest pause set, okay? So he's got 1 more rep to give me, and then we're golden. Squeeze, top effort, and rest and recover. Great work. All right, so that's our rest pause training system being implemented. Go and give it a go.